Hello students. In the last class we discussed about the three tests, right? What are the three tests? Test for starch, test for proteins and test for fats, right? So students, let us learn or let us go to our next topic. So students, tell me what are carbohydrates, proteins, fats? Those are all nutrients, right? They give us energy in our body. So, students, today we are going to learn about all the three sources of nutrients, that is, sources of carbohydrates, sources of proteins, and sources of fats. Okay, children? So students, as you can see in the picture, these are some sources of carbohydrates. That is sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, muskmelon, mango, maize, bajra, rice and wheat. These are some sources of carbohydrates. So students, do you know how these minerals are helpful for us? Okay, let me explain you children. Carbohydrates mainly provides energy in our body. Fats also give us energy. The food which contains fats and carbohydrates gives us energy, and these are called as energy giving foods. So, children, carbohydrates and fats both give us energy. So, students, as I said, carbohydrates and fats both are energy giving foods. So, these are the picture of some sources of fats, that is, sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, groundnuts, nuts, till. So, now that is the plant sources. So now let us go to the next picture, that is the animal sources. Meat, ghee, milk, butter, cream, eggs, fish. These are the fats from the animal sources. This is why we call carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Did you understand, students? Very good. So, students, now let us go to the next sources, that is, sources of proteins. Here are the two sources, that is, plant sources and animal sources. Let us see the picture now. In A, these are the plant sources: gram, mung, tur dal, beans, soya bean, peas. These are some of the plant sources. In B, there are animal sources such as meat, fish, paneer, eggs, milk. These are the animal sources. Now, let us see how proteins are helpful in our body. Proteins are needed for growth and repair of our body. Food containing proteins are often called as body building foods. What are they called? Body building foods. Why are they called as body building foods? For example, in the gym, they ask us to drink the protein shake regularly. So, students, do you know what is protein shake? Protein shake gives us to build our body. It helps us to build our body. So that is why the proteins are often called as body building foods. Did you understand, students? I hope you all understood what we learned today. Let us continue in the next session. Thank you, children. Enjoy learning.